Welcome back, everybody. Well, today we're going to do a little testing with our Coleman oven here on top of the a tent stove, and we're going to cook some pizza and some apple turnovers, and we got a second little grill shelf put in there, and to see what's going on here. Last time we did this was inside the tent, and it was hard to see, but we're going to do this out here in the open. This is the last of our little cool days, so to speak. It's going to be about 60 something today, but from here on out, it's going to get to 80 or thereabouts. I think the warm weather is about to get us. All right, we're going to start doing our little cook here. There's like a deep dish pizza in there, some apple turnovers, and we'll get this sealed up, get this fire going, and it should be about a 20-minute cook, I think, maybe. Alright, we got our fire going here, and get this camp oven up to temperature. We're aiming for about 325, 350 degrees, and see how it works out. I did put the welder's blanket on here because it's kind of windy. I'm trying to retain as much of the heat and stop the heat loss from it. So we shall see. Kind of windy. The last of the cool days. After this, it's going to get hot. It's drawing good. Alright, the oven temperature is climbing on up. Got a nice little fire going on in there. Not a whole lot of smoke, thank goodness. All right, we've been cooking for a bit now. Let's see what it looks like up in here. Oh yeah. All right, it's starting to brown up and warm up good, yeah. Okay. All right, we got the oven off the stove, and we're gonna let this cool down just a touch. Because it is hot, and I want everything to kind of firm up, especially that cheese on the pizza and stuff. All right, looks like we're got ourselves a dinner. We'll give it a whirl.